In this video, I will show you how to replace the side view mirror glass on 8th generation Honda Civic. First, tilt the mirror all the way upward to create a gap at the bottom of the mirror. Insert a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool behind the mirror and gently pry it off. It's held in place by plastic clips and a little bit of adhesive, so apply steady pressure until it pops out. There are two plastic hooks on the back side of the mirror that goes inside these mounting points on the mirror housing. Now take your new mirror and align it with the mounting plate. Once lined up, press the mirror firmly in the center until you hear it snap into place. Before finishing up, test the mirror by adjusting it with the power switch. Make sure it moves smoothly in all directions. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to WeezeJoin for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.